Have you ever felt overwhelmed with the Google Analytics system when trying to track your ad performance? Google Analytics, Google Ad, Google Tag Manager. There's a lot of things to understand. With Google Analytics 4, the next generation measurement solution, if you skip the migration process to this new GA4, your Shopify store tracking might just hit a dead end. But the problem is that many business owners are finding Google Analytics 4 pretty confusing. It's no walk in the park. They're struggling to set it up to efficiently track conversion and accurately gather data from the ad campaigns. If you're in this situation, don't worry, we hear you, and we're here to help. In this video, we'll provide you with a smooth, step-by-step guide to seamlessly add Google conversion tracking to your Shopify in a super easy way. No more waiting, let's jump right in. In overall, the process for integrating Google Ad conversion tracking into Shopify store is quite simple. First, we create a conversion tracking action we want to track. For example, a purchase made on our store. Then Google will give us a piece of code known as a conversion tracking tag or a Google tag to add to our Shopify store. And when someone takes this action, the code will record the user on-site activities and send the data back to Google. In the case of a purchase, it will also send how much money is generated from the purchase. This way, we can view all that data inside our Google Ads account to see which ads generated the most purchase, revenue, etc. Okay, so let's talk about the two ways you can get Google Ad working with your Shopify store. First off, you can either input Google tag on your Shopify site manually, doing it all by yourself. This method will take you a lot of time and effort, and you also need a lot of technical knowledge. A real headache for every Shopify merchant. But don't worry, we have another smoother way. Use the Google and YouTube app, also known as the Google Sales Channel created by Google. What's interesting is that if you're using this app, it will automatically add conversion tracking to your Google Ads account. That means that you don't have to set it up manually. It's like an easy path to install and link up Google conversion tracking to your store. Alright, before you go ahead and install the Google and YouTube app on your Shopify store, there are a couple of things to check off your list. First, you'll need to have a Google Merchant Center account. We recommend you creating one if you haven't already. It's totally free and super quick and easy to set up. It takes just a few seconds. Second, make sure your Shopify store meets all the requirements. I'll list them out for you to make it easier. Okay, let's break down how to set up Google Ad conversion tracking for your store using the Google and YouTube app. It's pretty straightforward, just 3 simple steps to get it done. Step 1, install Google and YouTube sales channel. Step 2, start connecting to GA4. And step 3, authenticate and choose GA4 properly.
First, simply go to your Shopify store admin, search for Google and YouTube app. Then, you'll be redirected to the Shopify App Store. Wait for a few minutes. Choose this, and then click Install. Then, we'll go back to the Shopify admin. You'll then see a prompt stating that this app will access and edit customer and store info. Here, click on Add Sales Channel at the top right. Next up, you'll connect with your Google account. This step lets you do a few cool things. Show your Shopify store product on Google for free, reach more potential customers through ads, and manage your product on Google directly from Shopify. Click Connect Google account and choose one from your list. Now, you'll need to meet all these requirements to connect with the two. Add a valid payment method, set up an online shop, add a refund policy, terms of service, and confirm that you added them to your online shop. If you're stuck at any point, drop your questions in the comment below. We're here to help you out. To make everything clear for you, Google Merchant Center is a single dashboard where you can upload product information to be displayed in Google Shopping searches. If the GMA account and Google account you connected earlier use the same email, it will autofill. Just select Connect to make everything done. If you don't have a Google Merchant Center account yet, simply click Create New and then Connect. Take a few minutes to check your site claim. Once it's done, your product data will be synced to this new Merchant Center account. Then, check your product feed setting so Google can show our products in Google Search, Shopping, and Images. First, your target country and languages. Click Select and make any changes if you need it. Move on to Shipping setting. I'll choose Automatically Import Shipping Information. The last one, check out Link setting. Next, agree to the terms and conditions, and finally click Complete Setup. Alright, the final step is to connect Google Analytics 4 for data collection. Simply click Get Started and connect to your Google Analytics property and then go back to the overview. When you see active, that means you've successfully set up Google Analytics 4 and your Shopify data is being shared with Google. Now you can rest assured that all your tracking is set up and ready to go.
Setting up conversion tracking using the Google Sales Channel seems like a breeze, right? But there's a catch. This method has some limitations you should notice. Honestly, Shopify native integration via the Google Sales Channels provides a baseline for tracking. You can only track standard user behavior on your website, including view items, add to cart, begin checkout, add payment info, and purchase. If your needs are minimal and basic tracking is sufficient, this app may be suitable, but this lack of data can limit your understanding of customer behavior and hinder your decision-making process. In short, this Google Sales Channel can only do well if you only need basic reporting. As I said in the beginning, there remains another way. Input the code or Google tag on your Shopify site manually. We have a detailed guide if you found it interesting, so check it out in the video description. However, setting it up can be a real hassle, especially if coding or Google Tag Manager isn't your thing. That's why many business owners choose to rely on other GA4 alternatives. So, say goodbye to the complexity of a lengthy setup process. Let me introduce you to NestAd, an ad tracking and marketing attribution software. With its own pixel, NestAd helps you track accurate data from your Google Ads campaign. No need to worry about ad tracking blockage and in-browser third-party cookie restriction. Not only seamlessly integrating with Shopify in a few clicks, welcome to a multi-tab attribution model with a flexible look-back window of up to 60 days. This extended window empowers businesses to analyze past performance trends for better decision-making. The excitement doesn't stop there. NestAd is also able to centralize data from various platforms into one unified dashboard, simplifying the monitoring of cross-channel performance for business. So, if you're on the hunt for an alternative to Google Ads conversion tracking for your store, NestAd is ready to help you track accurate data from your ads and maximize ads results. And that is all for today's video. Don't forget to show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Your support means a lot. Got burning questions about Google Ads, Facebook ads, or even TikTok ads? Drop them in the comment below. We're here to lend a helping hand and guide you through it all. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video. Just stay tuned for it.